And the beauty is that you can use it to create style lines. This is known as graphic tape. It's used primarily in graphic designing. If you were a graphic designer, you would know what this is. And I'm going to use it to create style lines. This tape comes in different widths. This is 1/8 of an inch. Now, of course, one side has a little bit of glue to it, so it sticks to your wherever, your finger and your form. And the beauty is that you can use it to create style lines. So let's say you wanted to do a square neckline, right? So you can go like this and like that to see whether that's something that you're happy with, that you like. And if you don't like it, again, you just peel it off and try a different neckline. You can also use this to create style lines. Let's say you want to create some seams, so really, style lines for princess seams and so on. You can find it at your local art store. Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.